friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun! A playground slider!
Yay!
Are you ready?
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Let's start drawing together. First, draw some curved lines to make the sliding part. It looks just like a fun wave. Now, let's draw 2 stands to hold the slider. These will help keep our slide strong and safe. Great! Next, draw some steps so kids can climb up the slide. Finally, let's draw the land and some grasses around the bottom. Awesome job, everyone! Our playground slider drawing is complete. Let's make our drawing bold and sharp by tracing over the lines again. That will make our artwork pop and look amazing. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Look, we'll use rainbow colors today. Ready? Let's go! Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. That looks so colorful and fun! You did such an amazing job today! Our playground slider looks perfect and bright! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings every week on Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time, little artists! Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.